Hi everyone, my name is Ravikrishna Janyavala and welcome to my channel Ravi Tech Talks. Please do subscribe to get notifications. Let us start our course Microsoft Azure IoT. So now we have seen that creating of IoT Hub previously using Azure Portal. So now we will discuss on how do we create Azure IoT Hub using Azure CLI. It is important to know at least some part of the Azure CLI because you will be getting it in the examination. And apart from that, Azure CLI is mostly used during automation processes. So it is good to know the Azure CLI commands. So let us just switch back to the Azure portal. So in the portal, this is the IoT hub, which was created previously in the free tier. Okay. So to get started with the Azure CLI, you can either use a PowerShell, which is there in your local machine, or you can use Azure Cloud Shell. So if you click on this icon here, you'll get a window which opens the Cloud Shell. If you are using this for the first time, you'll get an option to select whether you want to use Bash script or PowerShell. Please select the Bash. And it will be even asking you to select and create a storage account. So click on the create button to create a storage account. So after clicking on the storage account, you will need to execute this command az extension add hyphen hyphen name Azure IoT to install the Azure IoT CLI so that all the Azure IoT commands are available in this particular CLI. So after installing this extension, you will get all the CLI commands in your bash shell. I will be providing these commands in the under the video description. After executing this command, you need to delete the previously created Azure IoT Hub. So you can use az IoT Hub delete hyphen hyphen name and the name of the IoT Hub and the resource group. Once the IoT Hub is deleted, you can refresh this panel here to check if IoT Hub has been removed correctly. So after refreshing the browser, you can see that the IoT Hub has been removed. Now click on the Azure Cloud Shell once again. And now to create the Azure IoT Hub with CLI, you should be using az IoT Hub create command. To know what are all options you have, you can say help. So as you can see, these are all some of the options you need where you can set a name and a resource group. These two are required fields. All the other fields are not required, they are optional. So if you pass in these two arguments, if you don't pass any other arguments, by default, it will get created in the current selected subscription, and it will also create the Azure IoT Hub in S1 tier, not in free tier. So by default, it will create the IoT Hub in S1 tier with four partitions. Okay, and the location will also be the current location from which the Azure portal is being accessed from. So since I am now accessing it from South India, it will create with the location of South India. Okay, so you can go through these options and try learning about these options. So now to create, we'll say az IoT Hub create hyphen hyphen resource group RTT az 220 IoT Hub 01 as the resource group and name RTT AZ20 IoT01. And since I don't want the IoT hub by default to be created in S1 tier, I am specifically mentioning it to be created in free tier. In the partition count, by default, it takes 4 partitions, and I want to have only partition count of 2, so I am setting it the partition count as 2. I missed an hyphen here. Once the Azure IoT Hub is created, you can get to see a JSON object being printed on the console, where it shows you the location as South India, a name which we specified, and you can see other different parameters. And you can see here that it has created it in free tier F1. If you reduce this and refresh the IoT Hub section, yeah, you can see the IoT Hub here. So apart from these commands, there are other commands which will help you with configuring the other parameters like network and tags and all the other stuff which we have seen in the portal. So this is the list of the Azure IoT Hub commands which are available along with the samples. So I'll be pasting this link also in the video description. Please go through it. Please let me know if you have any comments or any doubts. Thank you very much.